So after coming out of the house, he stood before a shop in front of which hung the board. So he just is standing before the shop in where he saw one board in which it is written Dr. T. Kesavan LM and S. Sri Krishna Dispensary. Okay, so we can say that he is now before the doctor's clinic. Okay, Swaminathan found out that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. Now he sees that doctor is free at that moment, so he entered the shop. Hello, Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. So, after seeing Swaminathan, he welcomes inside and to the doctor, he says that he wants a doctor's certificate. What is the matter with you? So, the doctor is asking, I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union. So before page, you saw that YMU, correct? Which is the opponent team which they are going to play. The full form of the YMU is Young Men's Union. And I must have some practice. And yet, every evening there is a drill class, scouting, some dirty period or other. So he's saying that he just wanted to play in the cricket match and he has to do practice. So but in the evening he had drill classes, scouting and some other periods which he doesn't wanted to attend. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at the 4:30, it could help the MCC to win the match. So he is saying that if you could give the certificate so that he can come out of the school at 4:30 and go and practice so that his team wins. His team is MCC. Okay. So kindly note down that the MCC Swaminathan belongs to MCC team. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? So he's saying that yes, I can do, but he is again asking whether he has any other problem. Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. So he is saying that surely, but what he's saying? Certainly, I am beginning to the feel of late. So he is saying that it's the beginning of delirium. Delirium is nothing but it's a type of state. Okay, the person when he feels like a feverish or a dizziness type, it states as delirium. Okay, boy, did you say delirium? So the doctor is asking, what exactly do you mean by delirium? So the doctor is asking, what does it mean? I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomach ache? So he's saying that he doesn't know exactly, but it's some kind of stomach ache, he's saying. The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. So, at once after hearing the answer, what is the meaning of delirium, the doctor couldn't stop the laugh. So he was laughing and laughing, so the he got the cough and it went on to choke him means without breathing, he was struggling to breathe because of laugh. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him to be in the pink of health. So, doctor examined Swaminathan. He checked his eyes, his tongue, he tapped in his chest, and he declared that he is fit. He is in a good condition. Be in the pink of health means he is in a well good condition, and told him he could do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. So he says that if he wanted to get rid of the delirium, he should go and attend the drill classes. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. So he is again and again convincing the doctor to the importance of the practice of the match. But the doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificate. So he is saying that it is all very well, but if he give any false certificate, he will be prosecuted. Prosecuted means nothing but he will be declared crime or charged with a crime. Okay. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? So he's saying that who will find out? Does he wants the MCC team to lose the match? So he's asking the doctor, I wish you all success. Don't worry. So he's saying that he wishes for that match. I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. So he's saying that he can't able to give the certificate. Instead of that, he can talk to his headmaster and leave him at 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So he, after hearing this, Swaminathan says that it sounds good, or that will do better, and how kind of you, doctor, he says, and he comes out of that shop. So I hope that you have understood this lesson. Just go through the lesson so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, so just write down the points so that it will be an highlight for you. Write down the two team names and the teams which belongs, the person, sorry, the team members who belongs to that team, so that it will be easy to answer any question which have been given in that exercise. Okay, so with this lesson, I will be sending the hard words glossary part and the question answers. So write neatly in your classwork and be ready for the submission. Okay, thank you.